Well guys, we're just finishing up this greenhouse for a client here. She wanted the double wall polycarbonate panels insulated, and we drafted up this design for her. I'm gonna take you guys for a little tour. So this side, as you can see, is two windows inside on this end, and then we did polycarbonate roof on the whole thing. We did a single slope, just a modern style. And then you come over here, the whole thing, double wall panels, put in our windows, put in a door right here. There's the trim over right there. And then that's what that ended up looking like. Coming through here, it's we got a 4-foot recess underground, so you can get that thermal heat through the winter. And then we had to do some shear bracing because there's no sheeting on this, so we needed to add some shear strength on the inside of this. But this is a lot of space in here. You walk down, you got about a 15-foot ceiling here, and then you come over here and you got about a 9-foot ceiling on that side. And then those are the cross bracings for your shear windows, and that's pretty much it with your door right here. But yeah, my first greenhouse I built for one of our customers, so I obviously had to learn a lot doing it. But we added this door. It's a 43-inch door. Most doors are about 3 feet, but we wanted it bigger for her. So we ended up cutting our concrete out right there, our stem walls, and just to fit this big monster in. But the customer was really happy with it, so that's what we did for her. And then we trimmed around all the windows, made it all look really nice. Did some nice soffit fascia on the whole thing. And then we trimmed around our vent. We added a vent right here for her inside. And then these screws were tricky because we had to pre-drill every single screw hole right here. We had to pre-drill and put it on layout with these panels. These are 58-inch panel width and 116 length. So it's a little tricky getting the layout on these because I had to hand mark all of these because you can't lay them out on the ground. You have to do everything on the wall. And so we had to hand mark every single screw hole, pre-drill it, and then screw it in. That way you can leave these panels a little bit of room to expand and retract. Because of the heat, they have to be able to flex a little bit. And so that's kind of the story behind that. But we tried to keep the nails inside this to a minimum, but we did end up using finish nails right here for the trim because that's just what we had. So anyways, turned out all right.